Alright folks, so that big tree that had fallen over, I went for a walk up to see where I had the portage to, and there was a big weir thing there, and that was impassable, and then I would have had to portage further. So I've decided to go a different route, which is going to be an extra couple of k's on my trip, but saves a lot less portaging. I still have to portage about 200 meters, but it's not as bad as the 800 meters I would have had to portage in through thick scrub and all that sort of stuff as well. So just heading back now, and yeah, and then I got to go right up ahead here and back down onto Salt Creek. So I'm going to check out for a minute because I'm running low on battery, and I'll check back with you guys soon. Hey guys, so I'm at the portage finally. I've just walked some of my gear over to the river here, so I've got to walk back and get the kayak now, which is going to be the tough part. So yeah, I'll show you what this portage is like. The bank's kind of a bit of a pain to get on and off at because it's so deep, like almost a metre deep all along the bank here. So I went in the drink the first time I got off at the portage, so I'm hoping I don't make the same mistake again. Alright, now this is what I've got a portage through. You can see me canoe mark from when I dragged it through here the other day. On the home stretch now, so gee, I'm looking forward to stopping off at a steakhouse or something, have a swivel and an eat, and then I might go and have a spa tomorrow, let the old muscles relax. So yeah, so this is the portage, just in case anyone wants to do something similar on the Chowilla track. This is what this portage looks like. Getting in and out of the kayak over here ain't too difficult because it's quite shallow near the bank and gradually gets deeper as you go out. But yeah, it's just getting on and off at that other spot that is a bit of a pain in the butt. Yeah, so anyway, this completes my canoe kayaking trip. It was 3 days and 2 nights. Gives you a good idea of what you're in store for if you're thinking of doing something similar. I must say it's not for the faint-hearted. Paddling back up Slaney Creek and some of those other creeks, because I was going against the current of the water, that was quite draining. Luckily I go to the gym, so I was able to power through it, but yeah, if you're not the fittest of persons, I think you're going to really struggle, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching everyone, and stay tuned, I'll bring you more adventures.